Good morning once again. Today we are going to complete two more concepts: challenges of relationship marketing and the challenges of CRM. Let us talk about what are the possible challenges of relationship marketing. As we all know, each individuals are different. Even the problems of each problems of customers are different. So we need to come up with a specific solution, specific strategies in order to provide solution to the specific customer's problem. So this is one of the challenge. We cannot have standard fixed solution for all the problems. Different problems may demand different solution. So one of the challenges of relationship marketing is to provide different solution to different customers. Next problem. Relationship marketing involve cost which doesn't shows you any direct rate of return. It means you're investing money for the specialized people, specialized staff, but there is no guarantee that it would be getting converted into revenue in future. You may provide good support, you may provide good customer service, but there is no guarantee that it will enhance your sales directly. Of course, it has an indirect relation, but companies which are small, runs with very low funds, for them investing in a department which doesn't have any direct inflow of money within the organization is risky. So low rate of return is one of the challenges of relationship marketing. When we talk about relationship marketing, it means we are talking about managing emotions of the customer. Emotions like happy, neutral, sad. When I say happy, it can be delighted and satisfied. When I say sad, it can be angry and dissatisfied. So the main challenge of the relationship managers is to convert the emotions, and if they are negative in nature, we have to convert them into positive or neutral. For example, if a customer is angry and dissatisfied, we have to convert him either into a neutral or else to a satisfied and delight customer. In that case, you need knowledge, you need skillful staff. If you do not have qualified and skillful staff, then in that case, it will become a challenge for relationship marketing. The top level managers should support for relationship department, relationship marketing department. If there is no adequate support, if there is no funds which has been allotted for relationship marketer, then it would become a challenge in order to have appropriate and good relationship management department. That's it. Thank you for now. I am not doing in the CRM